Students, in this video we are going to study about preparation of aromatic aldehydes from hydrocarbons by Itard reaction. So Itard reaction is the most important reaction. This is name reaction, and from toluene, so formula of toluene is methyl group attached to the benzene ring. So CH3, I can write its structural formula, CH3 attached to the benzene ring. The name of this compound is toluene. So this is the toluene when it is treated with oxidizing agent like chromyl chloride CrO2Cl2. To balance this reaction required 2 molecules of chromium chloride, and the reaction takes place in presence of non-polar solvent like carbon disulfide. Then how the reaction takes place, let's see. Actually the formula of chromyl chloride is this chromium attached with doubly bonded oxygen with again one more double bond O, and this chlorine is bonded with a single covalent bond. Now what happened when the reaction takes place? The bond breaks from carbon and hydrogen. Now when it comes in contact with chromyl chloride, the bond between carbon and oxygen is formed from this chromium, and this hydrogen is shifted on this oxygen. So here 2 molecules of chromyl chloride are present, and in that this hydrogen is shifted on one oxygen of this CrO2Cl2. And how the intermediate chromium complex is formed, let's see. This CH1 bond of this carbon and hydrogen remains as it is, this CH bond as it is, and it is bonded with this oxygen OCrOH Cl2. Other bond also formed with OCrOH Cl2. So this is the chromium complex is formed, intermediate unstable chromium complex, and this carbon remains attached with benzene ring. So this is the intermediate complex is formed, is nothing but chromium complex, and which on further acid hydrolysis, so it undergoes acid hydrolysis. Acid hydrolysis means addition of water takes place. So breakdown of water always H plus and OH minus, or simply we can write H3O plus. So addition of water takes place called acid hydrolysis, and the bond breaks from this carbon and oxygen, and the here from this oxygen and chromium the bond breaks, and we get final product is nothing but benzaldehyde. So HCH as it is, and this oxygen one single bond is converted into double bond along with the benzene ring, and this the byproduct is removed from this compound is CrOH twice Cl2. So here replacement of this 2 Cr again OH twice Cl2, 2 molecules are removed from this chromium complex. So formation of or preparation of benzaldehyde. This benzaldehyde is prepared. Benzaldehyde is prepared from toluene, and this reaction is called as a Itard reaction. So what is Itard reaction? Once again see. When toluene is treated with chromyl chloride, CrO2Cl2 means chromyl chloride. When toluene is treated with chromyl chloride, in presence of carbon disulfide, partial oxidation of the toluene takes place. This reaction undergo partial oxidation. There is no any complete oxidation takes place. Partial oxidation takes place means here CH3 group finally converted into CHO group, and this reaction is called as Itard reaction. If instead of chromyl chloride strong oxidizing agent is used like KMnO4, then this CH3 toluene instead of chromyl chloride, if it is treated with strong oxidizing agent like KMnO4, potassium permanganate, this is the strong oxidizing agent, and complete oxidation takes place if the KMnO4 is used as a oxidizing agent. Then it is finally converted into complete oxidized product, that is benzoic acid. So benzoic acid is prepared from toluene if the KMnO4 is used as a oxidizing agent. So complete oxidation takes place if KMnO4 is used, but the toluene is converted into benzaldehyde, then chromyl chloride is used as a oxidizing agent. Partial oxidation takes place, and finally we get benzaldehyde. So this reaction is called as a Itard reaction.